Hello, how the different materials like enzymes, nutrients, food, water, carbon dioxide, oxygen, it is distributed different parts of our body that we can understand here by the help of circulatory system. So today we are going to study one of the important chapters CBSE 10th board exam, that is double circulation. First, we can understand when we take oxygen by the help of nasal cavity in the presence of a respiratory system, directly it goes to structural and functional unit of lungs that we can understand alveoli. So directly the oxygen it enters into alveoli. From alveoli means from the lungs, oxygenated blood or it goes to left side of the heart by the help of pulmonary vein. Oxygenated blood or the pure blood, first it will go to left auricle by the help of pulmonary vein. So pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from lungs to left auricle. Then from the left auricle directly it goes to left ventricle. Then from the left ventricle it is distributed. It push the oxygenated blood or the pure blood, push the blood with high blood pressure to different parts of our body by the help of artery. So artery is one of the blood vessel. It carries oxygenated blood from heart to different parts of the body, or you can understand from away from the heart. So by the help of artery it goes to different parts of our body. When it reaches to different parts of our body, this main artery it divides into small thin tubes are called capillaries. It is called capillaries. By the help of capillaries, this oxygenated blood it distributed to each and all cells. Inside the cells, by the help of oxygen and glucose, respiration will take place in the mitochondria. So after respiration, oxygen is used and carbon dioxide is released out. That blood you can say deoxygenated blood or impure blood. This deoxygenated blood or impure blood, it is released from each and all cells collected by the help of vein. So vein is one of the another blood vessel which carries deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body to heart. So vein collect all the deoxygenated blood from the different parts of our body. Directly it comes to left auricle. Left auricle, from the left auricle it comes to the left ventricle. Then from the left ventricle directly it goes to the lungs by the help of pulmonary artery. So pulmonary artery is another blood vessel. It carries deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs. So here you can see in one circulation it starts from lungs, again from the lungs. So in one circulation, during one circulation the blood meets heart twice it meets in the heart. That's why it is called double circulation. So here you can see what are the blood vessels. This is one of the 3 marks question. What are the different types of blood vessels? There are 3 different types of blood vessels, that is artery, vein and capillaries. So arteries are the blood vessels always it carries oxygenated blood from heart to different parts of our body. Next, vein is a kind of blood vessel. Always it carries deoxygenated blood from different parts of our body to heart. Then in between artery and vein there is a connection or the link between artery and vein, that you can say capillaries. So capillaries it is used to connect each and all cells in our body. And next you can understand the wall of the artery is thick than the wall of the vein, because artery, this ventricle, when the ventricle push the blood to artery, it push the blood with high blood pressure. Because of that, artery is made up of thick walls. Again you can see already we have studied heart contain 4 chambers. two upper two auricles down to ventricles. This ventricles also made up of thick walls than auricle, because always this ventricle push the blood to different parts of our body. It push the blood to different parts of our body with high blood pressure. So this ventricles also made up of thick walls. So the from heart, this blood with all the materials, it is distributed to different parts of the body. One more question you can understand: blood, by the blood is a fluid connective tissue. So by the help of this blood, different parts of different materials like oxygen, carbon dioxide, hormones, enzymes, it will distribute to different parts of the body. So what contains this blood? Blood contains two components, that is liquid component and solid components. Liquid component, that you can understand, plasma. What's the function of plasma? Plasma is used to transport carbon dioxide, water and food to different parts of the body. Then what are the solid components? Solid components are called, or it is otherwise called, cellular components, that is RBC, WBC, platelets. What is RBC? RBC is spherical shaped, and it is, or you can say, biconcave shape, and it is used to distribute oxygen to different parts of our body. It contains respiratory pigment or red pigment, that you can say hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is used to bound oxygen. It is used to bound the oxygen. Then another cellular component that you can understand, platelets. Platelets, what's the function of platelets? Plate cells is used to clotting of blood. So this is about your circulatory system, or you can understand here double circulation. Thank you.